Bye-bye na. Me and Hershey are traveling now to Compostela. So this is one of her last days na with us. Na siya sa tunga. Okay, she's very behaved. She's having her balance. At least this is a very good spot for her. Hindi maano yung tiyan niya. Madaganan yung sarili niyang tiyan kasi puno ng tubig. Hindi kasi siya makabawas na. So yun, at least she's in the middle. Okay, hi Hershey.